Today I'll show you how to replace a fridge or freezer door seal quickly and easily. This method works for most brands with push-in seals. Step 1. Remove the old seal start by grabbing a corner and applying a bit of force. Once it's loose, the rest will slide right out of the door groove. Step 2. Clean the channel. After removing the seal, use warm, soapy water to clean the channel. This helps ensure a proper fit for the new seal. Step 3. Install the new seal now. Take the new seal. Start by pressing the top 2 corners in with your fingers. Then, press in the bottom corners. Once the corners are secure, work your way around, pressing the seal into place. Step 4. Fix any gaps. If there's a gap, use a hairdryer or heat gun to warm the seal. Close the door, apply more heat, and the seal will adjust and fit perfectly. Let it cool for 10 minutes. That's it. No tools needed, just your hands. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips.